So hello all, in this video we are going to solve exercise 1.6. So in 1.6 we are going to use few formulas. So let's first derive those formulas. The derivation is not that important, but it is quite easy. So we should know the ground level, the root level of those formulas. So the very first formula is, before that let two sets are there, let A and B be finite sets. Finite sets, we all know, having limited number of values, limited number of elements. So if A and B are two finite sets, so using Venn diagram, if we want to summarize this, so let this A set be this one and B set be this one. So we all know that only this portion which is only in A side, so this portion is A minus B, those elements which are not in B. This portion is B minus A, similarly only this one portion, right, B minus A. And this third, the common part is A intersection B, right, and this whole part is A union B. So we all know, so if we talk about number of elements of A union B, so number of elements of A union B will be, A union B is this whole part. So number of elements of A union B will be A minus B. Number of elements of A minus B means this one plus this one. So plus number of elements of A intersection B plus this remaining portion. So remaining portion is number of elements of A, B minus A. Number of elements of B minus A, right? So if I add number of elements of A intersection B one time and subtract number of elements of A intersection B, that means here if I add n A minus B as it is plus n A intersection B as it is plus n B minus A as it is. Now if I add n A intersection B and I subtract n A intersection B, so it does not create any difference. One time we have added, one time we have subtracted. Why we are doing so? In order to get a formula. So number of elements of A minus B plus number of elements of A intersection B will together make this A set. So we can say this together, these two together will make number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus A plus number of elements of A intersection B. This together will make number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersection B as it is. So this is number of elements of A union B. So this is one formula. What is that formula? Number of elements of A union B is equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersection B, right? Now if I talk about, if let's suppose A intersection B is phi, A intersection B is phi, right? So that means number of A intersection B will be 0. So on Venn diagram, if we want to show this, so that means there are two different sets. There is nothing common in these two sets, A, B, and this is union. So this time we can say number of elements of A union B will be number of elements of A plus number of elements of B, simply. This is only when A intersection B is phi. So number of elements of this A intersection B will be 0. So these two formulas we have derived till now. Now let's derive one more formula. So for that formula we need like suppose we have to find out number of elements of A union B union C, right? So this formula will be number of elements of A plus number of elements of B plus number of elements of C minus number of elements of A intersection B minus number of elements of this B intersection C minus number of elements of C intersection A, or A intersection C also you can take. So C intersection A plus number of elements of A intersection B intersection C. So this formula we have to derive now. So this we will do. I'll show you how. Now suppose on Venn diagram, how can we plot this? Suppose this is A, this is B, and this one is C, right? A, B, and C. So if we find out number of elements of A union B union C, so this we can write down putting this in the bracket. Now using that formula which we have derived recently, the formula is this one. Now using this formula, number of elements of A union B is number of this one. Number of elements of A union B is number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersection B. So we'll use this formula here. So this will be number of elements of A plus number of elements of B union C minus number of elements of A intersection B union C, right? This one, that formula we have used there. Now number of elements of A plus this again using that formula, so number of elements of B plus number of elements of C minus number of elements of B intersection C minus number of elements of A intersection B union C as it is, right? So this we have expanded this one using the same formula. Now formula, if you want, I can write here number of elements of A union B is equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersection B. So this we have used here till now. Now what is N bracket A intersection B union C? So this is what number of elements using that properties which we have discussed. This is what number of elements of A intersection B, right, union A intersection C. This is exactly this. We have studied this property. A intersection B union C is A intersection B union A intersection C, right? Now if we see here using this same formula again, so this will be equal to number of elements of A intersection B plus number of elements of A intersection C minus number of elements of A intersection B intersection A intersection C, right? This will be this one using the same formula. Now if we see here, this is as it is, I am writing number of elements of A intersection B plus number of elements of A intersection C. Now this is what A intersection B intersection A intersection C. So if we see here, A intersection B is which one? This one. A intersection C is which one? This one. So can I write this as minus of number of elements of A intersection B intersection C? Because here also what we are taking intersection of these two sets. So intersection of these two sets is this one only, this centermost part. And what is this? This is A intersection B intersection C. So can I replace this with A intersection B intersection C, right? Now put the values into this formula, into that formula. So number of elements of A union B union C is equal to A union B union C is equal to number of elements of A as it is plus number of elements of B plus number of elements of C minus we have number of elements of B intersection C. Now this we can replace with this one plus here we have this will be of minus, so minus of number of elements of A intersection B minus number of elements of A intersection C. Now minus plus because we have minus outside, so this minus will be multiplied to this one, so plus number of elements of A intersection B intersection C. So this is that formula. So here we derived three formulas. So the derivation is very easy. It is not that much important, but if you want to know, you can you should know from where these formulas have been derived. So now let's solve exercise 1.6.